Michelin-starred chef Vikas Khanna has partnered with CookUnity to bring his signature Indian dishes to customers across the United States. Khanna's exclusive menu features roasted butter chicken, paneer makhani, aloo gobi, and Kerala-style fish moili inspired by bungalow. The collaboration brings restaurant-quality Indian cuisine directly to subscribers through CookUnity's nationwide fresh meal delivery service across America. Chef Vikas Khanna joins celebrated chefs Rocco Dispirito and Michael Solomonov in CookUnity's latest lineup of culinary talent nationwide. Khanna said that the partnership reflects a shared commitment to quality ingredients, thoughtful preparation, and authentic home-style cooking for every customer. Inspired by his upbringing in Amritsar, Khanna's meal aim at recreating the warmth and comfort of traditional Indian home cooking. CookUnity currently serves more than 250,000 diners weekly with meals created by acclaimed chefs across America. The chef-powered platform ended 2025 with over $750 million in annual recurring revenue, reflecting a rapid nationwide growth. Vikas Khanna's meals are now available to CookUnity subscribers across 18 states, with further expansion planned during early 2027. The partnership gives American diners easy access to authentic Indian cuisine prepared from recipes inspired by Khanna's award-winning culinary career. Khanna recently earned recognition on Time's 100 Most Influential People of 2026, adding another milestone to his distinguished career. CookUnity says that the partnership helps renowned chefs reach more diners without compromising quality, authenticity, or the restaurant experience at home.